That was the best run ever. It was like way steep, crazy steep. But man, it was just so much fun. There's no place like Taos. Look how much snow we got last night. Look how much is on the truck. That is just crazy. Great first day in Taos today. We're taking it easy, having a town day, because we got a 7-month-old, gotta let him get used to it, spend a little time with him here in the mountains. Tomorrow we're gonna hit it hard on the slopes. Got about 14 inches of snow today with a little bit more in the forecast, so the snow's gonna be amazing. Can't wait to tear it up. Woohoo! We got 5 inches of snow last night, another 4 to 8 today. Let's go. Going straight for the hiking, let's go. Just taking one little extreme lap. And gonna go pick Adriana back up.
We're on the gondola!
Woohoo! Woo! Oh, you got it. Woo, Adriana's killing it. Can't even tell she took 2 years off and had a baby in between. Picked it up right where she left off. Ready to hit it?
Woohoo! Let's go! Woohoo!
Going over there. Just kidding. We're going down there. Back the other way, heck yeah! Showing off for the camera. Woo! Alright, we just got done with our first day of skiing. It was incredible. This morning I hiked a run on West Basin, and it was incredible. It was about knee-deep powder. It was so much fun. Adriana came the second half of the day with me. We were tearing it up. She hadn't snowboarded in 2 years and had a baby in that time, so she picked it right back up, but I think she'll be one and done on this trip.
We have to wash it.
Alright, we got another 14 inches of snow last night. As you might be able to tell, it's gonna be another awesome powder day here in Taos. Let's go! I didn't hit the weight room. Woo! Oh my gosh, that was insane. I'm so tired, but I gotta put the camera up because it's freezing my phone. Well, let's go. They just did a rope drop. They just opened up the hiking, so hike one run. And that's where I'll be going down. Alright, I think this is too dangerous to video and snowboard, so gotta put it up. Alright, that right there is the best run of my life. I don't know if I'll ever have another run like that. It was insane. Woohoo! That was the best run ever. It was like way steep, crazy steep. But man, it was just so much fun. Holy cow. I had to hike to get there, so that'll be one and done for me, but dang, that was amazing. There's no place like Taos. This is probably on par with helicopter skiing in Alaska. I don't know how it gets any better than that. That was incredible.
First gondola ride.
Look at all these people earning their turns the old-fashioned way. Let's go down here. Woohoo! Let's go. I'm on top of the world. Gotta love hiking some runs. Woohoo! The views up here are incredible. I love Taos. You can't beat this place. There's my line right here. Little section of fresh untouched. I'm gonna jot over to the left. Don't want to go through the trees. And then down through there. That's gonna be my line. All right, just came down that line. A little bit more technical than that first one, but woo! That was fun. Made it down. That's about all my legs and all my lungs got in me, but man, is this a blast. I wish I could come back here. I gotta come back here again. This is so much fun. Oh, just got done skiing today. Man, it was the greatest day of skiing ever. We had 14 inches of snow overnight, 34 inches total on the storm. Man, it was the lightest, fluffiest snow I've ever seen. Probably be waiting the rest of my life for another day like that. It was incredible. I did Alice Run a couple times while I was untouched. Then hiked over, did West Basin, and then hiked the other way and did the ridge. And it was incredible. Highly recommend coming out to Taos.